Winter versus all season, two heavyweight contenders from Continental, the WinterContact TS 870p, a dedicated winter tire, versus the AllSeasonContact 2, a three-peak mountain certified all-season tire, but when the snow starts falling, is an all-season tire enough? Let's find out. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Continental WinterContact TS 870p set as the reference point at 100%. First up, wet performance. In wet braking, the AllSeasonContact 2 stops 1.4 meters sooner than the WinterContact TS 870p. How about wet handling? It is practically a tie, with lap times separated by just a fraction of a second, but aquaplaning is where the TS 870p edges ahead with a slightly higher resistance. Overall, the all-season tire shines in the wet, which is not a surprise. Now for the snow, where you'd expect the TS 870p to pull away. Surprisingly, the difference is barely noticeable. In snow braking, it is almost identical. In snow handling, it is a half-second lead for the TS 870p, while in snow traction, the AllSeasonContact 2 actually takes the lead here with slightly more pulling force. It's a shockingly close race. When it comes to dry conditions, though, the AllSeasonContact 2 dominates. It stops 2.8 meters sooner in dry braking, a massive advantage. In dry handling, the all-season tire again finishes faster, proving it's the better choice in the dry. In noise, the difference of 0.3 decibels is too small to notice, while in rolling resistance, however, is where the AllSeasonContact 2 pulls ahead with a resistance of 6.58 coefficient value, compared to 7.26 value for the TS 870p, which is a 10% improvement in fuel efficiency for the all-season tire. In summary, the Continental WinterContact TS 870p excels so slightly in aquaplaning and snow handling. On the other hand, the Continental AllSeasonContact 2 is more than just a contender. It performs nearly as well in snow, excels in wet and dry conditions, and offers better efficiency. No need to switch between tires when the seasons change, as this all-season tire could be the future for many drivers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.